It's so tiny. And what's amazing about this travel-friendly gimbal is that it has touchscreen remote control that of course you can take it out and use it remotely. Now the smartphone gimbal got even more exciting with the newcomer, the latest newcomer, and it's from Hohem. Hohem iSteady V3 Ultra. And if you guys have been watching all my phone gimbal video, actually the Hohem company is the first one to come up with the AI, not using the app, but just built-in AI model to actually track you. So let's set up the gimbal. Slide out the tripod. Unfold. And the camera facing, you can take the sticker off, but I prefer to have it on. And then turn it on. So my favorite feature of Hohem iSteady V3 Ultra is of course the remote control. And you can see it is a beautiful 1.22 inch, so it's tiny with a very big touchscreen monitor. And of course it's rechargeable. You can tell how much battery it has left. To show you a more clear comparison, I have Hohem iSteady V3 Ultra against DJI OM7, which is another very popular phone gimbal. Hohem iSteady V3 Ultra has the touchscreen remote control with a very clear display. So the interface is user-friendly. I don't have to memorize any of the buttons, any of the features. Whereas DJI OM7 or other gimbals out there, there's no display, there's no touchscreen display. So I have to memorize all the buttons, and even tracking, I can see it clearly on the display of Hohem iSteady V3 Ultra. So it is much easier and intuitive to use. And the distance-wise, the spec says it can go up to 10 meters, so let me check this out. So I've just set the Hohem iSteady V3 on the bench, so I can take the remote control out. And inside the remote control, if you slide this way, it says no signal. So make sure in the AI tracker, you turn it on. Now the AI tracker is on. You can see the red light here, which means at least the AI tracker is on. So in this 1.22 inch touchscreen, I can see what the mobile phone sees. So I'm just gonna leave the mobile phone there. And I already turned on the normal camera app of the phone. I didn't use the Hohem Joy app right now. And I will press the record button. I heard that it started recording, and I'm gonna continue moving and also show you the touchscreen monitor. So let me walk. You can still see my mobile phone over on this side. And I'm moving and I can see the back of myself. Yeah, I can still see myself really, really well. To the end of this sort of field, the garden, and you can still see very well what the phone sees in the remote control. You can see the yellow square around my face, so AI tracker is recognizing me. So I'm just going to press the side button once, and yes, the AI is now going to track my face. In the monitor, I can see the green square moving around. Not only does it track people, but it also tracks objects as well. So in order to track, you can either double click, and yeah, it's starting to, and it will track with the movement. And if you want to deselect, triple click, or you can also press the side button and it recognizes the object and start tracking. And you can side click once to deselect. And you can see I'm not doing anything, and AI tracking works totally fine. And the touch screen definitely helps for me to monitor everything. So the great thing about Hohem iSteady V3 Ultra is that it has gesture control. So you just need to start the AI tracking with the OK sign. And I can see the AI tracker, it turned from red to green, and it's gonna follow me around, and rather well. Even in this, the lighting situation here is not the best. I'm doing it deliberately. The light is at the back of me. In a challenging environment, the AI tracking still works really, really well. Yay! Ta-da. let me go a little further. And I think the optimal distance is about here. So about 5 meters is the optimal distance for tracking for iSteady, Hohem iSteady V3 Ultra. And if I wanted to stop recording, then I just need to give the palm up sign and I can see it stopped tracking me, which is handy. And if you wanted to start tracking, then just give the OK sign, and yes, you can see the Hohem iSteady V3 Ultra immediately recognizes and tracks me. And the gesture very special to Hohem iSteady V3 is that you can change the orientation. So right now it's vertical, and if I give this sign and move, then it goes horizontal, move up, vertical, and down, and horizontal, up. So it's working really well. So you can always change the orientation. And of course, the last but not the least gesture control sign that you want to use is the shutter. So I can give this. And yes, it stopped recording. And I think it just started recording. These two gesture modes, the horizontal to vertical, vertical to horizontal, and also the shutter control gesture, they are not seen in other competitors in the market. So let's get the tracking started. And yes, I can even see myself here, which is fantastic. This is the great thing about remote control. And you can actually reframe as well. So I can put the joystick up if I want, but I can lower it down as well, depending on how you want to frame yourself. And the one feature that really makes Hohem iSteady to stand out among other gimbals out there is that it does have 360 degrees infinite tracking. So I can, as you can see, I can go around in circle, non-stop, infinitely, and Hohem iSteady V3 Ultra will keep on following me. Other gimbals don't have that feature. So I can go around in circle, 720 degrees or even more, and the gimbal will track me totally fine. Stop tracking. Hohem iSteady V3 Ultra, it does boast infinite panning. So the panning continues, it will never stop, which is also useful when you're tracking a person as well, as the person can just go around in full circle. Other gimbals such as DJI OM7, it does not have infinite tracking. It stops at a certain angle. The tilting angles on both gimbals are more or less the same. However, one thing to note, the payload weight for Hohem iSteady V3 Ultra is up to 400 grams. Often in the market, other competitors, the payload is about 300 grams. So Hohem iSteady V3 Ultra definitely can take heavier, bigger phones. And one thing that I really like about Hohem iSteady series is that it does even have this camera phone holder. Not as a separate thing, it's definitely, you know, personal preference, but I like to have everything just attached, connected within the device. This holder is of course part of the gimbal, so you're not going to lose any parts, and it's definitely just pocketable. Simple, you're not going to lose any pieces, so everything is attached within one device, and I'm ready to go. And more about this remote, it's so intuitive. So orientation, just press this. And the great thing is you can actually zoom and zoom out. Zoom and zoom out. So let me start recording and then zoom right in. And can you see? This remote control connects so well. And I am using an Android phone and it communicates so well, up to 10 times zoom with my just normal built-in camera app. So far, I haven't even used Hohem Joy app. And of course, you can change the mode to different, but I just like using this PTF, the follow mode. You can change the lock mode, POV mode, PF mode if you want. And the joystick, I like the movement. And of course, in the monitor with the touch screen, you can clearly change all the setting if you need. I like the default setting, and even the light control, which I showed you, You can turn it on. I think it's turned on, but it's facing the other way. It's magnetic, so of course you can change, click. You can change the orientation to this side, that side, whatever. It's connected and you can turn it on this way, or you can use the side button to turn off, turn on, and also seamlessly change the lighting. So handy, everything is there. And even color temperature you can change from cold, warm, neutral. So cold, warm, neutral. I think cold is totally fine. And I'll turn it off. And here there's more settings, scenario. You have 4 different menus: pan rotation, roll rotation, panorama, and time lapse. And inside panorama, there is 3x3, 180, 360, 720 VR. And I can start shooting. And you can stitch these photos together in the post-production. And nowadays, of course, you have to have the extension rod in the gimbal. So you have a full-on selfie stick inside a gimbal. And of course, I can use the gesture mode to have it following me around. So I have a selfie stick with a cameraman and the tripod together with the extension pole. You have yourself a tall tripod. And while on tripod, the AI tracking works really, really well. So finally, let's get inside Hohem Joy app. So first menu, panorama. You can go 3x3, 120 degrees, and also clone me. Clone me is a fun feature. You move around and the app automatically stitch a beautiful photo. And here's a result of me with 2 other clones. And there are other features such as time-lapse, motion time-lapse, time warp, slow motion, and also moments where you can make short, simple videos. So if you get this gimbal, then don't forget to check out Hohem Joy app with plenty of features. So Hohem has come up with yet another great phone gimbal, travel-friendly, user-friendly. It has the AI tracker and the light and also the extension rod and also the tripod. But don't forget, the best feature of Hohem iSteady V3 is this remote control with the AI feed. Can you see that I'm inside this 1.22-inch touchscreen remote control? This is how Hohem iSteady V3 Ultra stands out among all the phone gimbals out there. So definitely do check out the link down below for more detail, and I'll come back with other great reviews. So see you!